Another feature that we have in this version, and it is not only restricted to these cartridge housings. If we look at the inlet assembly, we can also show the critical speed model that Centrix has used. So the outline of the shaft is shown in this particular colour. We've got the mass of the coupling positioned here. The centre line of the bearings are shown with a thicker line, and the impeller mass is placed at the centre of gravity of the impeller. Now, on some models you may actually see the shaft extend beyond the hub. For example, if we had a reverse hub that goes in this direction, you would still see the shaft extend out to where the centre of gravity of the impeller is. So that's, if you're interested, if you think there might be something wrong with the critical speed calculation, you can just click that and make sure that things line up as they should. So the centre lines of the bearing should be aligned with the drawing. So we can just clear it as required.